Good afternoon. At Science Rocks we're about to get exothermic. Yes, we're going to do an experiment that will release a lot of heat. Now we realise you can't see heat because we don't have an infrared camera, but we do have a thermometer. Let's explain what we're going to do. We have a bottle of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is constantly releasing oxygen, but not in a way you would notice. So to make it more noticeable, we need a catalyst. A catalyst is something that speeds up a reaction without directly affecting the reaction. We are going to be using potassium iodide. Now, a liquid giving off oxygen isn't that exciting, so to juice things up, we've decided to add some fairy liquid. So, we have the hydrogen peroxide ready. We've added the washing up liquid. Now, Elizabeth, can you please add the potassium iodide? What's that? They're meant to show heat. It looks like stink lines. Don't try this at home. As you can see, we are wearing latex gloves and are outside. We are also wearing protective goggles. Now we're going to see if there's enough heat produced to melt a plastic bottle. I'm going to mix some washing up liquid with the hydrogen peroxide. And now I'll add the potassium iodide. Add some more. Wow. There was not enough heat to melt the bottle, but it still looks pretty. This is Science Rocks!